All right, today we're gonna bring a folding table. Now, this is perfect for outdoor events, indoor events. It's pretty much you could take it anywhere, and it minimizes the space of where you actually have to store this. For example, this is it's a long table. It's more than almost 6 feet long. All right, it folds right in the center. It creases in the center, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and show you how to take this apart and how to put it back together, right? So it does have a handle here. That means that this is the part that you're gonna be carrying the thing. So let's fold it down here. The legs fold down first, all right? There's clips in here that you have to be aware to put them down. Locks in place. Locks in place. Once you have this process going, all you got to do is fold it down the middle, and it's going to lock in. And then you're able to carry on. Now, setting up, it's at ease too. There's a little crease that you open it up here. Open the same way. Leg goes out. Lock it in place. Make sure this lock is in there. Lock it in place. Make sure this lock's in there. Now, there is a lock here. You lock it in place and it won't fold, all right? Just be aware of that. That's pretty much it. So on your next party or your next festival or your next sales that you want to do, outdoor events, indoors, this is a perfect table for you guys. Now, apartment buildings can be clutter. Small spaces can be clutter. This thing folds into half, saving you a lot of space, very thin, and it takes a lot of load. So if you're gonna have food events or maybe sales or maybe just adding extra stuff in your garage or any place, this is a perfect table. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.